Hi, this is Andrea, and I'm going to teach you about the first method you can use to promote a post on Triberr. So let me open up a window. The first method is to simply navigate to the promote page, which I'm on right now, and then I'm going to select this modal. Now, here are a few things to remember. I can promote a post that I've already imported into Triberr by selecting this drop-down menu. And the menu will populate all the posts that are currently eligible to be promoted. The only basic restrictions at this moment of shooting this video is that a post cannot currently be in the promotion process. So that's important to remember. You might be looking for your post and wondering, where is this post? But it won't show up here if it's currently being promoted. Okay, now the second option is to enter an external URL. Now I've already prepared a URL that I want to promote. So I'm going to simply copy the URL. And remember, an external URL is a URL that hasn't been imported into Triberr. So this might be useful if, for example, you have a guest post or a featured post in another publication that you want to promote. Okay, so as soon as I paste this link into this input here, I'm going to move on to the next step. Now, as you can see, Triberr pre-populates all this information for you. You can certainly modify the image that you're using. You just simply follow the dimensions and the specifications and drop the image in here, and it will automatically change for you or upload it for you. You can also change the content for Twitter as well as long share content, which is Facebook and LinkedIn. The reason why we created these two options is because obviously on Twitter there is a character limitation, and there are certain features on Twitter that are not necessarily available on Facebook and LinkedIn. For example, mentioning and hashtags, right? So we wanted to give you the most control over promoting your post. So you can modify the Twitter share as well as the long share, or you can leave it as it is. We've also included a shortened link, which will also provide stats for your promotion. And I will explain a little bit more about how to manage your promoted content in another video. So the basic things you need to do here is to select a category, which in this case is going to be business. And then you can also enter tags, up to 5 tags. This is the basic, way to enter tags is basically just input the tag or phrase and then add a comma and you're ready to go. Now it's important during step 2 that you're doing a real quality check here, which is you're making sure that the title of the post that you're promoting is correct, the image that you're promoting is correct, the categories as well, and then also ensure that you're meeting our post guidelines. As soon as you've done a quality check and agreed to our terms, simply select this input here and move on to the third and final step. Now, as you can see, there are 2 different options here for promoting a post, a basic boost and a tribe boost. In another video, I'm going to teach you the difference between a basic boost and a tribe boost. So let's just walk through this final step here. There are also 2 methods for making a payment. You can pay using our primary payment processor, which is Stripe currently. And our site is also secure, so you don't have to worry about any of that security concerns. And another option that you can use is PayPal. You simply select this option and then you're going to authorize the payment through PayPal. So currently I'm going to select a basic boost and then pay with Stripe here in the modal itself. And after I submit the payment, you're going to receive, or I'm going to receive a confirmation. So I'm going to just do this test real quick so you can see exactly what the confirmation looks like. I'm going to make sure, here's an important thing to remember as well. We included a payment summary so that you know exactly what you're promoting what the URL you're promoting is, and the category that you're promoting it. So if it's incorrect, you can modify it at any time. So for example, you may notice that maybe the category that you selected is incorrect. You can go back and change the category to, instead of business, you can select something like technology, right? So you want to make sure that you're confirming all the details are correct in step 3, right? So here I made the change and it automatically updated here in the payment summary. Be sure to review this so that there are no, there are no mistakes in the promotion process and everything goes through seamless and as expected, okay? So once I've done my quality control check, I'm going to submit the payment here. So give it a few seconds to process the payment. And you notice the payment has been successful. So if the payment is successful or the promotion is successful, you will receive instantly a notification stating, yes, this promotion has been successful. You'll also see a payment summary so that you can screenshot it if you like, but you'll receive an email as well that you've promoted this post. So if you want to see all your promoted posts, you can select this button here, and you will be led to your promoted posts. We promoted 98 ways to find inspiration for content ideas. And since it's the most recent promoted post, you'll find it at the top as well. In another video, like I said before, I will explain in further detail about how to manage your promoted content. But for now, go ahead and move on to the next method of promoting a post on Triberr.